Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something really exciting lined up for you. We're diving into the world of technology and fun with our top 5 picks for cool gadgets and smart toys for kids in 2024. From interactive robots to educational tablets, we've got it all covered. So let's jump right in. Kicking off our list is the Smart AR Globe. This isn't your ordinary globe. It's packed with augmented reality technology that brings geography to life. Kids can explore different countries, landmarks, and even wildlife right from the comfort of their own room. With interactive quizzes and games, learning about the world has never been more engaging. Next up, we have the Robotic Coding Kit. This innovative toy combines play with education, teaching kids the fundamentals of coding in a fun and interactive way. With a variety of challenges and missions, children can program their robot to navigate obstacle courses, solve puzzles, and even perform dance routines. It's the perfect introduction to STEM concepts. Moving on to number 3, we have the Interactive Storytelling Robot. This adorable companion not only tells stories but also listens and responds to your child's interactions. With customizable storylines and voice recognition technology, kids can embark on adventures with their new robot friend, sparking creativity and imagination along the way. Coming in at number 4 is the Augmented Reality Drawing Pad. Say goodbye to traditional paper and crayons, because this drawing pad takes art to a whole new level. Using augmented reality, kids can bring their drawings to life in 3D, adding animations and special effects to their creations. It's a fantastic tool for budding artists to explore their creativity in a digital world. Last but not least, we have the educational tablet with AI Tutor. This high-tech device is like having a personal tutor right at your fingertips. With adaptive learning algorithms, the tablet tailors lessons to your child's individual needs, providing targeted support and feedback in real time. From math and science to language arts, it's the ultimate learning companion for kids. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 cool gadgets and smart toys for kids in 2024. These innovative products not only entertain, but also inspire learning and creativity. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.